Okay, I received the Morgan Milwaukee Vise and I want to restore them. They are looking pretty good. I already took them apart. Here it looks smooth and straight, like no one hammered it. It's 50 centimeters long. Let's shine them. I really know how to do it, so I'm trying a few things here. Let's see how it works. Stop the video to have two hands. That wheel, it was okay, but not so good. So now I will try this wheel. With this wheel, it worked nice, but I'm looking for better solution. So I will try another tool. I decided to test this tool, and it's look quite okay. Let's continue for the rest. Say with this solution, it's got real nice, and I will continue all the rest with it. It even took the color off. This is the result after half an hour. I haven't finished, but I'm really happy for how it came. And now I need to find out how to clean inside here. I'm working on it. Okay, for this part and here inside, I just have no way to reach. So I will try to put a vinegar for 24 hours and let's see what will happen with this. Well, this is real simple vinegar. Let's pray it won't leak from here, and I will leave it for 24 hours. Okay, it's look wonderful, clean, no rust, no oil. So now I will start to paint it. Box, I put vinegar with rusted stuff, and I even added a few tools. I'm going to brush it with a metal brush and see what it's got. This is the vinegar I used. Let's see what happened. Just make a small touch to show you how lovely the vinegar worked. Amazing. And now I'm actually going to do all the polish completely, but it's real clean, beautiful metal. Okay, those are the cleaning parts, the cleaned parts. They look good. I don't care about the paint that didn't go off. It's so strong, but there is certainly no rust nowhere. Since it's going to be outdoor, I'm trying to see where to put this masking tape before I will paint it, and I want to paint all the area that might be exposed, even on those edges, because it's gonna be outside. Okay, I did put a duct tape wherever was needed. So I'm quite ready for the paint. I took all the duct tape off. Everything is painted. Now I will reassemble it and use this grease for all the exposed metal, especially for the main bolt. And I'm not sure how to protect this from getting rust again. For now, I will put a grease on it. My clean, restored vise, no rust, everything is painted, and lots of grease. They are going to be outside, so I just leave it for now, maybe clean it a bit, but they are looking good.